guys, I'm here with Ryan from 2A Armament. If you guys know anything, I've been watching this company a lot lately. I love their stuff, so I'm going to take it away and just talk about some of these products he has. All right?
Yeah, for sure. Really our flagship product, it's been out for about 8 or 9 months, the Balios Light upper and lower set. So it's a billet 7075 T6 set, but it is a full quarter of a pound lighter than a standard forged upper and lower. So if you're really looking for a platform to build off of, this is a great foundation. We've expanded our product line from that, where we've gone into the rails. So we have a 12-inch, a 7-inch, and a 15-inch rail. We offer it in both the Keymon and M-LOK. These rails will ship with a titanium barrel nut, and we will offer an aluminum nut as well as an upgrade for those guys that really want to get something super lightweight.
What's the weight savings on something like that?
I think it's right around an ounce.
Oh,
so you know, it adds up after a while. You cut an ounce here, and cut an ounce there, so it starts to pay off.
How's the installation process work?
Right. So how this works is basically this screws on just like you would any other barrel nut. It is timed, so it is captive with the gas tube, and then this slides over it, and we actually have an angled nut system that you can see on this rail here, where these are at a 45-degree angle. They intercept the ridge right here, and it shoves that rail against the receiver. So with our Balios set, you end up with a look that's actually looks like it's monolithic, but it's not. So we've continued the lightning cuts from the receiver onto the rail, and no gap, so it's perfectly seamless. Some of our other products that we have on this example right here is our titanium gas block. Our T3 comp we're now making in titanium. So that is 1.35 ounces for this comp, and it's also compatible with the Gemtech Halo products. So it is a suppressor mount as well. Another product that we have that's new here at SHOT Show is our takedown pins. They're through drilled. It's probably kind of hard to see, but there's actually a hole all the way through the pin. So that's where we've taken the weight out of that product. And that's basically it. That's where we're at. So,
do you mind saying some of the price points on some of these? Like gas block?
Right. So MSRP on this is $125. So it's not out of the realm of some of these other comps that are on the market, especially the titanium piece. The gas block is $70 MSRP, I believe. Our pins were going to be at $34 MSRP. The upper and lower set has a $519 MSRP. So they're priced on the high end as far as builder componentry, but there's a lot of machine time in them. They're ultra light, and they're quality products. So.
And then you guys also your bolt carrier group. Is that something kind of new about that?
Right. So this is something that we're still testing. Actually, he's got it right here. So this is a lightweight carrier. It's a hybrid design where we've gone to an 8620 body with a 7075 back end. This is pressed on, but really the neat feature about it is we put the adjustment system right into it. So for those that are looking to run a lightweight carrier with a adjustable gas block, this is an option all in one unit. We're still doing some testing on the gate. We want to do some erosion testing, get some rounds through it, and we're hoping to have this available at the end of the first quarter. So.
Well, Ryan, I really appreciate your time. Love your stuff.
Yeah, for sure. Excellent.
Thanks,
Thank you
guys.
very much.